Guys, I'm just like you. I'm a recruiter. I own my own recruiting agency, and I'm in the trenches like you every day. There's so many people out there that are claiming to be recruiting coaches or mentors when they haven't closed a deal in years. And I'm going to prove to you again that I am just like you guys. I'm a player coach. So I own a recruiting business, and here's another check that I received that came in this morning to my office after getting breakfast with my daughter. And boom, there it is. All right, guys, let me cover up the client here. So $16,000, 166.67. I know it's backwards, but you can see it. I'm going to put this in my checking account today. Super happy and proud of my team. That is one installment for a search fee of $48,500. We collect a payment up front, and I can teach you how to do that. So if you are an agency recruiter and you're really good at what you're doing for this agency, do it on your own, okay? You got to be burnt out from answering to your boss, from doing useless Zoom calls all day, walking into the office on Monday and everyone's in a miserable mood, or giving the house 80% of your profit. There's no reason to do that. You can do this on your own and have your own freedom and lifestyle. If you're a corporate recruiter in talent acquisition, and maybe you're a little afraid of sales because all you've done is recruiting, don't worry. We've got a proven three-step system with marketing and sales that'll flood your inbox every day, every week with new recruiting clients, and we'll teach you how to navigate that conversation and close those deals so you can get checks like this on a continual basis, okay? If you're an entrepreneur, maybe you're a real estate agent, a teacher in IT, and some recruiters who are doing really well, you're just not quite sure how to start it, I want to work with you. Let me go ahead and let you avoid the blood, sweat, and tears that I went through for so many years and give you the shortcuts to success. Okay. If you are currently a recruiting owner, agency owner like me, and you're looking for new innovative ways to sell and market, or maybe to scale your internal business, I can help you with that. I've operated, scaled, started, and sold 3 staffing companies in my lifetime. I know exactly how to do it, and I can show you how to do it as well. So be careful, guys. There's a lot of mentors out there, recruiting coaches on YouTube. You'll find them. They haven't closed a deal in years. Ask them to show you a deal they closed where they can prove to you like I just did, okay? These are people that are doing videos with Ferraris and Lamborghinis that they rent for the day. They're in Mykonos. They're in Italy, pretty much using their credit card, posing as if they're making millions of dollars. I don't want anything to do with that. I don't want that douchebag life. Sure, do I go on vacations? Yeah. Do I do what I want to do when I want to do it? Absolutely. But I'm not bragging about it on my videos, on social media. I want to come to work, roll my sleeves up, even though I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt, and just work my tail off, make a ton of money, invest it, be successful, and teach others how to do that. So if any of this resonates with you, I would love to work with you. Find me on recruitemy.com. Let's go ahead and set up a one-on-one call, and I look forward to speaking with you.